Hey again. Let we start implement our first class in Python. So to get started, I will create a new class and I will name it this class user. So I'll save it class user. So this will hold information about a user. So to write class definition in Python, you write class, then the class name. I need information about user, I will name it user. I will start very simple in this class. I need a class have username. So how I could create a class with username? I have to write div, then write set user name. Because in Python you cannot define a variable like another language. You have to use set and get. So set username, he take input, which is the input he will take it, which is user name. Okay, and here I want to add the username to the class. I will say again self dot under slash user name equal the input username. So what does that mean? I know this is something new for you because you never say it in another programming language. Whenever you see self, that means this. Where I'm in this class, that means this user. That means, hey, in this user add a new variable. He will do it in the running time. He will add this variable inside this class. So this class will have method and will have variable inside it. And he will add this data and that's inside that method. If I want to read it, I will say, I will do div get user name. So always he take the input self. Don't care about it, just something for Python. They will have to remove it soon because I think it's something that doesn't make sense to add it in every method, but you have to do it. Now this one will return for you. What will return this username. You just say self.username. So whenever you say self.username as a return, he will already understand what you mean. He will already understand you mean this object that's already inside the class that added by this one. So you want to read it, and that is. Now think about you want to call it. So you have main method, and this main method, name it main. Okay. And this method is get called from here, implementation for it, and that is. Now I have user information. Suppose I have Hussein, user one, first user. I want to create instance. So you say, hey, this U1 is instance of class users. You say users, and that is. This one U1 have all the information from the class user. If I say now U1 dot set, I need to say set username. He asks me what username you want. I say Hussein. Now if I just want to print the username, I say u1 dot get username. He will give it for me. If I just rerun it again, he say Hussein. So how this one work? When you say u1 equal user, he will take this class and create instance from it, copy from it, and he added here. So now you say this class set name, he will add Hussein inside the u1. Then you want to read it, you say hey u1 dot get. If you see whenever you want to access to any method in the class, you say dot instance name dot the method name, and that is. If you want to create a new instance, another instance, go ahead and go down and create this second instance, and let you suppose this instance number 2, instance number 2, instance number 2 should be Jana. So instance number 2 is totally different from instance number 1. So see, Jana Hussein. If you say, okay, if I hold this one, could the second one work? No, it will not work. Why? Because u2 is totally different if u1. When u2 asked for the username and he came here and he asked for username and username is not added yet, so he give a problem. So you have to know u1 is totally different from u2. They are just completely object. They are, think about it, you have this class and you take copy from it, you add it here. You take copy from it, you add it here. This one use origin copy and this one is origin copy. They don't share information. Yes, this is what I want to share with you in this video. Hopefully you understand everything, and thank you for watching and see you next.